In this tutorial, we will pick up right where we left off after creating the rig for the character, and now proceed to skin the model. Skinning in Maya is a broad topic, and we'll do our best to cover as much as we can. Before delving into skinning the character, we'll first clarify the underlying logic of how skinning works. We'll also discuss the concept of weight blocking and provide an overview of Maya Paint Weight tool. So how does Maya skinning work? We need to tell Maya how much each vertex should move with each joint of the rig. Each vertex has a total weight of 1, which can be distributed across multiple joints. If you assign a weight of 1 to a vertex for a specific joint, that vertex will move and rotate in perfect alignment with that joint. If you assign a weight of 0.5, that vertex will move and rotate only 50% with that joint. Think of a weight value of 1 as representing 100% influence, while a value of 0.5 representing 50% influence. Let's explore the various options available in Maya Paint Skin Weights tool. To keep this tutorial short, we won't cover everything, only the necessary options. To open the tool, right-click on a skinned mesh and select the Paint Skin Weights tool. The upper section displays all the joints that can serve as influences for painting weights. The Replace option allows you to paint a new value over an existing one. The Add option lets you add a value to an existing value. The Smooth option softens values between joints. But for better and easier results, we will use the NG Skin tool smoothing later. For now, set the mode to Add. The profile represents the alpha of our brush. Choose the solid brush. Keep the opacity at 1. The value represents the weight value we'll paint. For blocking, set it to 1. The Flood button enables you to set the value for all selected vertices. Under the Gradient tab, you can choose between viewing values as a grayscale from black to white or as a gradient with multiple colors. Weight blocking is a concept where we initially assign a weight of 1 to the most suitable joint for each vertex. This way, each vertex has only a single joint influencing it at first. This technique is commonly used by many riggers. When we are done blocking the weights, we will smooth them, which will soften the hard lines between joints' influences, and our skinning will be mostly done after that. Let's start weight blocking our character. As we paint weights, you'll notice that the character's body is mainly made up of tubes. When working with these tubes, there are 2 methods to paint weight. If the tube needs to bend with sharp creases, like a finger for example, we will block the weight along the length of its bone. We'll call this the FK skinning method. However, when a tube needs to be smooth, bendy and twist like the forearm for example, we will evenly apply skinning from both sides of the joint position. We'll call this the ribbon skinning method. For joints that require ribbon skinning, a Rise rigging system will append the word ribbon to their names. Since Maya maintains a total weight of 1 for each vertex, when you remove weights off one joint, Maya automatically redistributes those weights among the other joints. To control where the weights are distributed, we will only add weights where we want them and avoid removing weights. After completing the weight blocking process, we will proceed to smooth our weights. Rather than utilizing Maya built-in smoothing option, we will instead use NG Skin Tool, which is both easy to use and provides better results. NG Skin Tool smoothing blends weights, much like mixing colors together. We will initiate NG Skin Tool on our mesh and smooth where we want to soften the hard skin creases. For FK skinning, we will only smooth small areas, while for ribbon skinning, we will smooth larger areas. While skinning, we can test our weights by moving and rotating the rig controls. You can also add keyframes and scrub the timeline without leaving Maya Paint Skin Weights tool. We won't demonstrate the entire body skinning process, as it follows the same steps. As previously mentioned, most of the body can be thought of as tubes. You can see that after we smooth the weights, our arm behaves as desired. If our character is symmetrical, you have the option to mirror the weights to the opposite side. This can be done using either the NG Skin Tool's mirror function or Maya Mirror tool. You can also choose to transfer weights to other meshes like clothing based on the distance between them and the main mesh. Hopefully, even though skinning is a broad topic, you now possess the necessary skills to rig a character from start to finish using a rise rigging system.